Make this quick video to demonstrate the app that I created. You might have noticed I've been posting some images up. I apologise for the light. This is not my best room to record in, but never mind, because we're looking at the app, we're not looking at me. So let me just pop you over there. It's called the Pinterest AI Pinterest Pin and Wallpaper Prompt Generator. Okay, here we go. Now it's the AI Pinterest Pin and Wallpaper Prompt Generator. Now, I originally created this for people that wanted to sell wallpapers because it's such a huge niche on Pinterest. So I put this together to sell wallpapers, but then I thought, well, that's pretty crazy. There should be a way that we can use this for our business as well. Initially, we've got all these wallpapers here, and all I need to do is pop in something here. So there's different ones. Like, so we wanted to do the pink lock screen. Let's do a tulips. Tulips in a garden. A variety of colours, although it may just come out pink. Let's just say that. We want it for Pinterest. We want it for ChatGPT. Let's generate the prompt. The prompt's going to come up here. We can copy this prompt. We can now go over to our images. We can pop the prompt in here. Now, this is saying create a vertical iPhone wallpaper. So we could just change that to create a vertical Pinterest pin. Let's change that from wallpaper. Featuring a vibrant garden of tulips in a variety of colours. Soft pinks, vibrant reds, sunny yellows and creamy whites. Glistening with dewdrops as the golden sunlight filters through. The composition should capture the lush textures of the petals and leaves with a dreamy, soft focus background that enhances the enchanting pink aesthetic mood, perfect for a serene and uplifting. Okay, we don't need that bit because we're not doing a loft. Okay, so you know, you might have to edit it a little bit, but that's okay. Press the button on that one. I'll take you back to my app, and you'll see we've got a retro collage. So if we want to do something here, okay, 2 children riding boats in a park for children playing. Now we should just press Pinterest, ChatGPT, generate prompt. We can copy that prompt and go back to here, share this tab instead. Now our first picture is ready. Look at that, tulips in the sun, exactly how we described it. You can use that for a background for a quote or anything really, whatever images you need. Let's do the next one. Let's just make sure it doesn't got anything about wallpaper. So create a vibrant retro collage style Pinterest pin. I'm going to fix this up so it doesn't actually say these things. Featuring 2 children, one in a bright yellow shirt, another in a blue hat, joyfully riding bikes through a sunlit park, bustling with other kids playing, including lush, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's click go on that. We'll go back to Pinterest. No, back to my app. Now we've also got Pinterest pins where you can, just let me grab a URL here. Okay, so you can grab any URL, generate a pin. It will give you 3 pins, plus it will give you titles, descriptions, what keywords to use, and of course your image prompt. We'll grab that first one. We'll now go back to Pinterest. Here's our retro bikes. As you can see, beautiful image. Something different for Pinterest. We'll now put our next one. We'll let that one cook. Go back to the app. Now, as well as a Pinterest pins where you can put any URL you like. I've used Etsy. I've used YouTube. It didn't do that well with YouTube. Still got a little bit of work to do with the YouTube one. You can do your website. You can do your lead capture page, and you'll get an image that you can put on Pinterest straight away. Now, I've also got other templates in here. We've got a caricature. I can never say that word. Portrait. A risograph doodle. I can show you that one. So we want fill in the details. Subject. So let's put a subject in here. Which for the clown. Juggling. Inside circus tent. With happy children. No, we could just put, hang on, a clown juggling. And our scene is inside a circus tent full of happy people. Put audience in there. Color palette. Red, green, yellow, blue, because this is what color circuses have. White. Generate prompt. And there we have it. Now you can also generate a pack, which will give you 10, or you can say as many as you want in here, and that will generate you a whole pack. But we'll just copy this prompt for now. We'll go back to here. There's our image. There's our image there. I can turn this around. I can just give it, say if I wanted to edit it. Exit voice. Oh, here we go. I'm not sure what's going on there. Whoopsie. Okay, so here we can say, please remove the text from the book as it is upside down. Okay, so text is gone from the book. All right, now let's do our clown one. Let's have a look how that turns out. Let's go back to this one here. Well, that's what I was going to show you, how to make more than one. Let's do anime wallpaper. I don't know. Girls. So that. Floating inside spaceship. And if we want to have, so let's do 3, generate pack. It's going to give us 3 different prompts. So we can copy them one by one. All right, and the last one is prompt packs here. If we go up here, we've got already ones made up. So pink aesthetics, motivational quotes, dark wallpapers, cottagecore wallpapers. Like I said, they're all wallpapers, but we can actually change them to be Pinterest pins or just images for Facebook. All you've got to do is put that quote into ChatGPT. So let's have a look at this one. This is generating 25 pink aesthetic wallpapers. Here they are here. 25 once. We could just copy. Okay, here's our anime girl floating with alien creatures around her looking outside the moon. And let's do some pink ones. Okay. So that's a pink fairy floss. That'll be okay for a carousel. Okay, a large pink heart. Remember, these are for wallpapers, but geez, you could use that for anything. You could even create some digital art and sell it on Etsy. So possibilities are endless. Guys, if you're interested in this, you can get it when you become a premium member. For $12 a month, you get to use this and all my other custom GPTs. Any questions, feel free to ask me. If you want me to do something for you, then let me know as well. I'm quite happy to create an image for you that you can use. And I hope you got some value out of this and excited, because I'm pretty excited about what it can do. All right, thanks very much.